So the Mi A1 has been my main driver for a little more than a year now, and I gotta say what an incredible phone this is for the price. It's completely stock, decent computing power, and overall good camera, and plenty of screen real estate for the time. Its huge bezels now feel ancient, and that's super crazy considering it's been vaguely over a year. It sounds like the perfect mid-range phone, but even when I have wanted to love this device so much, there has been one pitfall that has plagued the use of the Mi A1, and that is its GPS. I can't quite recall if it started happening long ago or if it was there the entire time, but the GPS on this phone blows. I don't know if it's because it has no internal compass or just the components of the GPS that are of bad quality, but I haven't been able to do more than 5 entire trips without losing my signal. I've tried everything you could possibly imagine to repair it without physically messing with it, and while they didn't do it good, if you're having the same problems, maybe these tips could help you out. Number 1. Ensuring location services are on and in high accuracy. Number 2. Ensuring the Maps app and Google Play services have all permissions. Number 3. Erasing the cache. Going into the app's options and erasing cache and clearing the app's data. Number 4. Downloading supposed GPS fix apps. But I soon figured out the only thing they do is clearing the data and the cache anyway. So talk about useless. After that, here comes the big guns. Number 1. Dialing the developer testing menu and running the GPS test. Results failed every time. Then I contacted Xiaomi. The support girl offered the aforementioned options and as a last resort, do a factory reset. Number 3. Did the factory reset and guess what happened? Yep, I forgot to back up a shit ton of stuff and no working GPS. After burning through all of the options I've been possibly given, I contacted back the support staff at Xiaomi. Unfortunately, Xiaomi doesn't offer any international warranties whatsoever, so that's that. Having a faulty GPS on your device is not something to play with. It's extremely dangerous to rely on a device like this for navigation. For example, this phone likes to lose GPS location at the most crucial of times, and I ended up missing exits and sometimes almost crashing after a long hiccup that ended just at an intersection. My final verdict on this phone, it's unbiddable for around $180. That is, of course, if you don't use your GPS at all. I'm now thinking about buying the Poco phone to replace this one. What do you think? Should I give Xiaomi a second chance? Thanks for watching. If you're having any GPS problems, feel free to drop me a line. I've become an expert by now.